Assalamualaikum and hi. We are from Group C. We present about our project. My name is NURUL BWFF3043. My metric number is the 79869. What is internationalization? Internationalization is the process which the company enters the foreign market in order to expand their business. In our project, we choose 4 companies, which is Boiler Holding Sdn Bhd, CHING Group Berhad, Axiata Group Berhad, and also Mega First Incorporation Sdn Bhd. Our objective of this project is to determine impact internationalization on companies' stock return, profitability, and growth, and then what the factor that affected the level of companies' internationalization.
My name is FARHANA JUSOH, metric number 278313. I will present the stock return model summary and AINAA table. According to the model explanation above, R value, which reflects the multiple correlation coefficient for stock return, account for a value of 0.904. As the value is more than 0.5, we can conclude that there is a relatively strong correlation between stock return and its independent variable. The dependent variable stock return is determined using multiple regression analysis based on the independent variable. A dependent variable is said to be statistically significant if the p-value falls below the significance level. According to the output of the AINAA table analysis above, stock return with a significant value of 0.009 is statistically significant as it is p less than 0.10.
According to the coefficient analysis table, using stock return as a dependent variable, Fs is statistically significant with a significant value of negative 0.152 because it is smaller than p greater than 0.05. It is suggested there is a favorable association between Fp and stock return. EXV, on the other hand, is statistically significant with a significant value of 0.014, and it is suggested there is a favorable association between EXV and stock return. Furthermore, Fs growth is statistically significant with a significant value of 0.004 since it is smaller than p greater than 0.05. Also suggested that there is a positive link between Fs growth and stock return. Finally, F size is statistically significant with a significant value of negative 0.015 because it is smaller than p greater than 0.10. It is suggested that F size and stock return have a negative association. Finally, foreign board and exchange rate volatility have a favorable influence on stock return, but firm size and foreign revenue growth have a negative impact.
Assalamualaikum, my name is NAJWA binti Majid. The metric number is 279126. R value represents the multiple correlation coefficient for Fs, which is 0.981. As a result, we can conclude that the stock return and the independent variables have a relatively strong correlation. For R square value is to measure fitness level that demonstrate how much variation of the dependent variables. Based on the outcome, we can safely conclude that F has a high level of correlation with its independent variables with a value of 0.963. In general, the larger the value of R square, the greater a models fit to the data. Statistical significance is a measurement of the probability that the null hypothesis is correct in comparison to the acceptable level of uncertainty about the true answer. According to the AINAA table analysis results, Fs with a significance value less than 0.001 is statistically significant because it is less than p 0.05. If the p-value falls under the significance level, the dependent variable is considered to be statistically significant.
Hi, I am YEAP from Team 6 and my matrix number is 289460. Today I would like to discuss regarding the coefficients of the factors that affects the level of company's internalization. According to the estimate regression model of stock return, the tangible asset is statistically significant with a significant value of 0.074. It is less than 0.1, hence indicates that the Fs and the tangible asset has a positive relationship. As for the board size, it's also statistically significant with a significant value of 0.017. It is less than 0.05, hence indicates that there is a positive relationship between the FS and the board size. Thus, there are two factors that affect the level of the company's internalization: tangible asset and board size, which has a positive impact on the level of company's internalizations. That's all from me, thank you.
In conclusion, global competition can motivate organizations to be more creative and efficient in their resource utilization. For instance, as we can see from our discussion, internationalization will affect stock return, growth and profitability. Based on the model summary, it shows that R square 0.817, which is illustrate that stock return have a high level of correlation with its independent variable. However, we have two factors that affect the level of company's internationalization, which is tangible asset and board size. Both have a favorable impact on the level of internationalization in business. That's all from us. Thank you.